Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm explain how to use emoji on Google Docs. So just I'm open any browser. I can select Google Chrome and search Google on Google Docs and go to Google Docs. Okay, docs.google.com. So I click blank document. This is my first document. So okay, just I'm insert, click insert and click emoji. So smile, haha. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. So today video ended. Please next time chat with another new video. So Allah peace, bye bye, take care.